Right guys, we're going to the party. Mel's really stressed because the pizza delivery didn't get delivered. The Jollibee delivery didn't get delivered. She's waiting, then she decided to go. If she hadn't, it wouldn't have got delivered. Yeah, the ice cream. Don't forget about the ice cream. So the kids were supposed to be there well over half an hour ago. They're all going to be taking on Pajaks, but Mel's decided we're going to walk to Orban. So it's been a busy day. We went to the military parade to
I'm so tired, guys.
yeah, to do some video, which I hope I can edit good and everybody likes. I'm going to cut it down into 6-7 minute sections, I think. Because nobody watches the videos through. They'll just, if it's too long, they'll just switch it off. And we need people to watch, so that's what I'm going to do. There's some more at the back. This is Tintin, but I didn't think she was a baby, but she must be a baby. She's going to a baby's birthday party. That's her mum in front. Her mum's single, guys, if you want a mum. But she has about, I don't know, I think it's 6 kids. Tintin's one of them, obviously. So I'll show you when we're there, see what happens. It's all family, by the way, all you Kims. Now you'll remember we used to live here before they put the 3rd floor on. I don't know why I'm pointing, you can't see where I'm pointing to. And we were here when we had the really bad typhoon. It was scary. So there ain't a lot of food, guys, and one of the reasons, well, there's a couple of reasons, but I'll not tell you the other one. One of the reasons is they're having a Fiesta Day celebration on the 16th, so there's going to be absolutely loads of food, and this is just for the kids, basically. And as you can see, it's all for the kids. That's the birthday girl who's in a lot of trouble when she gets home. That's the birthday boy. Fresh lumpia, look. What's that?
Garlic, cheesy mussel.
Oh, then that's...
Sorry. This is a mussel. Garlic mussel.
And this here is...
Palabok.
What?
Palabok.
Palabok.
It's a pasta.
And that's beautiful pizza from SNR. The pizza there is beautiful. What's this? Is this sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet. It's a mango. Grape mango.
In ice cream that looks like it's melting. That's the little spaghetti boxes for the kids. Same as over there.
The cake is not, it's late.
Oh yeah, I never noticed there's no cake. So before the night gets any older, I think there'll be a few more people come.
Yeah. No, just only us.
It's just these kids, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Well, normally they come and start drinking on the roof, don't they? They're not doing it. Oh, that's good.
Gonna wait.
So we'll see what happens later, guys. Right, the cake's just come, guys. That's Myra, look, in a lovely blue dress. That belonged to Mel. The shoes has come in, belongs to Mel. It's all good.
We will see the cake. No space now.
Huh?
There's no space.
I know. I won't be staying long, I don't.
I think we can put na lang down the cake there.
Huh?
We put the cake na lang there.
It's gonna get knocked over.
Ito lang pizza ID na lang. Ano yan? Ano?
Mind you, at least I can get to the pizza easily. That's fresh lumpy, it's beautiful. So I'll try some of them.
600.
Yeah, I know what it's like, it's beautiful. Every month when I get paid, we go to S&R.
Pepperoni, this is combo.
Yeah, I really like
The
that.
other one is shrimp garlic.
Yeah, I like them all. That's my first, that's my second.
Which one is yours?
Which one is mine?
Favorite.
This one.
About the garlic.
I love the garlic,
So the
yeah.
third one.
And the prawn. That's the last one, yeah.
They look in the cake there. Garlic.
So there's the cake, guys. You know which is for which. It's sweet.
It's Roblox and
We've always got to have the obligatory photos, of course, for the memories. Next time they have a birthday, they're going to look totally different again. Where is she? Anna. See Anna here. She's the same age as Fia, and Fia's bigger than her. In fact, she's 3 months older.
Yeah.
3 months older.
Oh, Victor.
Are we doing happy birthday then?
Yeah, you take picture first. A picture. Me and you and them.
Yeah, we're taking all the different photos with different parts of the family. This is one of the better parts that the family's like, actually.
Oh, it's ano na. It's kids na. Sing. Oh, dali na naman. Mga aki, magdaba na ka mo dali.
Biggie baka baka. I keep telling her, when she speaks to the kids, she's just recently, she's always speaking in Bicol. And I said, they'll pick the Bicol up with the other kids. They need to know English. And Matthew's English is really not good. His Bicol's better, obviously. Her English is quite good and the Bicol's really good. This is what I try to explain to a lot of foreigners. It's great having a lovely big family like what we have, but there's not many of them can speak good English. So you come to a party and you're pretty much sat on your own all night. So what happens when you sat on your own? You drink, unless you don't drink, of course. And that's how you get through the party. I'm not on about kids parties. We've got to wait till the fan stops now, because it's blowing the candles out. It's quite funny actually.
Happy birthday, Matman. Oh, sing! Oh, din na. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Matthew! Happy birthday, Myra! Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Matthew.
One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Matthew. Happy birthday, Matthew. To sing happy birthday different in the Philippines, by the way.
Blow na,
Bruna Pia, Mat.
Way!
Matios, si Bia. Si Bia na.
I don't not do it.
Si Peter, dito daw magulo.
It just relights. It's one of them trick candles. So it's food time, to get straight into the food. This will all be gone, guys. It will not take long. Apart from the pasta stuff. I quite like that, but I've got to be in the mood to eat it. I love the fresh lumpia, so I'll just be having that. I'll try the mussels and obviously the pizza. I love that pizza. And that's why I'm such a big guy.
Look, it's eating, guys. Anyway lang. They're enjoying the Jollibee eating. Anna, it's delicious. Yeah.
Well, it's outrageous. Now all the food is gone. We're taking this bit home. Other people's bagging it up, look, to take home. These mussels, guys, they're absolutely gorgeous. The pizza were gorgeous. The fresh lumpia, oh, gorgeous. I love it all. And S&R pizza is one of the better pizzas I think I've tasted. Definitely. So everything's finished now because people have eaten and they want to go home. That's what happens in the Philippines, guys. They eat and then they go home. Look, Isa's still eating. She's been eating for ages. What? So it's over to you.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
Till the next one, guys. Bye.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Gladio Atlantian, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlot, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Darther Gregory, and Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jem Alvair, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Myra D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.